I need new shoes.
At those hipsters, I wanna dance.
I said, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Don't stop giving me things. Stop, don't stop laughing about it. Stop, don't stop. I said, don't stop, don't stop talking to me. Stop, don't stop giving me things.
Okay. There it is. Oh. Woohoo! Okay, we're back. -4. Ooh. There it is, the sound. Franking elevator. Yeah, nobody called. Fortunately, nobody called. Okay. Okay, let's going down again. Yup, nobody. I'm afraid. I pressed the button. Okay. Ha 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 ha. There we go. Holy s- Okay, I'm going to the other one. I will call the other one. There it is. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Weird sounds. Oh fuck. What is that? Holy! What is just that sound? Okay. Holy. I don't know what is that sound. Okay. I don't know, guys. I'm still confused. Okay, wanna try again? Another ride to see if it makes the same sound again. Okay, let's see if it makes it again. Yes, I don't know what happened. It makes some weird sounds when it's going down. Some weird sounds. I don't know why, but the elevator seems to make some weird sounds. This elevator makes some weird sounds. But why, guys? I don't know. When it's going down, this elevator makes some weird sounds. Ah. So guys, I don't know what happened, but the other elevator, it doesn't make that sound. Okay. 0. I don't know what just happened, because it makes that sounds. But when it's going up, it doesn't make that. Oh, some weird sounds. I don't know what just happened to the elevator. Sorry if the video was paused, but the elevator makes some weird sounds, but I don't know. Okay, thank you for watching, and stay safe.